97 species in genus Spigelia. Spigelia, a deep dive with Ferb Vu. The world of botany is a vast and fascinating one, filled with an incredible diversity of plant life. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always eager to delve deeper into the intricacies of different genera, and today, I'm excited to share my exploration of the genus Spigelia with you. Spigelia, a member of the Loginiaceae family, is a genus of flowering plants that boasts a rich history and diverse array of species. These plants are typically found in the warmer regions of the Americas, ranging from the southern United States all the way down to Argentina. The genus was named after Adrianus Spigelius, a renowned Flemish anatomist and botanist, by Carl Linnaeus himself, the father of modern taxonomy. One of the most captivating aspects of Spigelia is the sheer variety it encompasses. From the vibrant blooms of Spigelia marylandica to the more understated elegance of Spigelia anthelmia, each species has its own unique charm. Let's take a closer look at some of the notable members of this genus. Spigelia species, a diverse collection. The genus Spigelia is home to a diverse array of species, each with its own unique characteristics and distribution. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The allure of Spigelia. What is it about Spigelia that draws me in? Perhaps it's the vibrant colors of the flowers, ranging from fiery reds and oranges to delicate pinks and yellows. Or maybe it's the delicate structure of the blooms, with their slender petals and intricate stamens. Whatever the reason, I find myself captivated by these plants. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Spigelia species also hold historical and cultural significance. Some species, like Spigelia anthelmia and Spigelia marylandica, have been traditionally used for their medicinal properties. However, it's crucial to note that these plants contain potent compounds and should only be used under the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. Conservation and cultivation. As with many plant species, some members of the Spigelia genus face threats due to habitat loss and degradation. It's crucial that we take steps to conserve these plants and their natural environments. This can involve supporting conservation organizations, advocating for the protection of natural areas, and even cultivating Spigelia species in our own gardens. Speaking of cultivation, many Spigelia species can be successfully grown in home gardens. They generally prefer well-drained soil and partial shade, and they can add a touch of unique beauty to any landscape. If you're considering adding Spigelia to your garden, be sure to research the specific needs of the species you choose. A continuing fascination. My exploration of the genus Spigelia has been a rewarding journey, and I'm excited to continue learning more about these captivating plants. Whether I'm admiring their beauty in the wild, researching their historical uses, or cultivating them in my own garden, Spigelia will always hold a special place in my heart. I encourage you to delve into the world of Spigelia yourself and discover the unique allure of these botanical gems.